Hey everyone, hello guys. Recently I often receive approximately the same questions in private. Bro, how do you enter transactions so clearly? I kind of try to do things like you, but constantly in minuses. Where's your secret? Share it already. Believe me, I understand all this like no one. I went through it myself. When he just started, it's like you are learning. You are studying strategies and you are already starting to feel the market, and deals are still flying in the red day after day. It seems that you are doing very well correctly, and the result is not at all. And here lies the main trap for the beginner. It's not about the buttons or strategy, but in the head. I've been trading for more than 10 years and my start was extremely painful. I remember how I lost $100 in less than an hour. Then again, my friends laughed and said, "You are crazy," but I didn't give up. Just stuck in the topic, I started digging in deeper. And somewhere on the second month, enlightenment came. Everything depends on psychology. Trading is not about signals, it's about emotions, greed and fear. Two emotions that drive the market. And if you haven't learned to control them, they will eat you. 95% of the traders lose because they trade on emotions. The remaining 5% remain cold-blooded and take money from the market. Therefore, the secret is simple. Become a stock samurai. Trade only on the system. Don't go beyond the frame and limit your risk. We'll see in practice how emotions destroy your trading. Let's watch until the end. At the end, the draw is at the starting capital. To make it easier for you to start, jump into my Telegram channel. There are strategies and bonuses on the link to the broker with doubling of the deposit. Answer in my personal message and I do suggestions. And here are the reviews of guys who already started with me and went to the plus. Now they have driven. Okay, here is our first trading pair. The Australian dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Let's fly up for a minute. Let's mark local support and resistance levels with a rectangle. We see that the price is a small sideways movement, so we can say with confidence that the price will rebound. And so it happened. Potentially the price can break below into the marked area or go higher with a rebound, but we are not interested in this, guys. Just stay focused. We are interested in, there we go. And we go on to our second trading pair, the Australian dollar again. So we immediately fly down. We show some support and resistance levels with the rectangle. They are very small. We also take into account that now we have a strong downward trend. Here we show movements with a trend line. As a result, the price chart will still go down. It reached the resistance level right now and began to rebound lower from it. We wait longer. In the long term, it will still go down, and even right now, it will go down. With such candlestick patterns, the chart will go even higher for a full reversal. No, this is a full-fledged long-term downtrend. 5 seconds left. And voila, on our balance right now, it shows $1,467. Let's go further, guys. And we go to our next trading pair, the USD and the Australian dollar. So we fly up for 1 minute. The amount is $136. We draw a rectangle at the support level and resistance from below. That is, it was hanging from below for a long time, went sideways, movement broke through the higher. Here along the trend line you can see the movement of the current trend, and it's immediately press rollover. I'll double the expiration time and double the amount of the transaction. And immediately we'll press double up. Since the correction was very strong and we need to make at least one transaction, here I show you the current support and the resistance level with a rectangle. The chart now will bounce of the support level. It has already bounced and it's slowly moving lower. Potentially it can break the 3 of our rectangle above, and then as it were even higher. So the first minute is almost over. One transaction, consider that we actually went into the plus. We are waiting for a second transaction to also go into the plus. Okay, we hope that our expiration time will be enough for us. Very close. So we are waiting for some more. As a result, the correction is quite a hindrance to us, and one transaction went into plus, the second transaction went into minus. In total we have minus 8%. So let's close it. We open a transaction for 1 minute, up by $300. And here, the transaction is returned. To make my first million, I just needed internet and faith. Bet you didn't know that's all it takes. Most traders miss it entirely. Just for you and every trading newbie, I've recorded this video revealing my secret 5-step system. It gave me total freedom for life. What's till the end? And let's go. And we go to our next currency pair. So you can see here. So we fly in immediately, open the second deal up 1 minute. As a result, 2 deals for $300. We see local support and resistance levels. The price has bounced off the support level and will go already to reverse to the area of the values higher. Potentially, here we marked the second rectangle very well, and according to the candlestick pattern, it's clear that this is already a full-fledged reversal. Moreover, now here I'm showing the lines. As you can see, the price fell to the level of the previous minimum and it will most likely bounce off. Trend lines shows its further growth. 15 seconds left. Let's wait. $1,997. So you've seen it all. Composure, a clear plan, adherence to the system are what makes a trader successful. Each of you can learn the same if you go consistently and consciously. Here are examples of students who are already working according to the system and are seeing results. It's not magic, it's a skill. Join my Telegram channel. There are analysis, practice, and the community where you can always be prompted in the right direction. I always remind you about the weekly draw. All the conditions are in the pinned message. This is a great opportunity to start actively. That's all. Thank you for being with me. See you in the next video and take care of yourself and trade wisely.